Chinese New Year was celebrated as the Happy Lunar New Year Celebration, organized by the East and Southeast Asian for Labour led by Clir Lotis, King's Cross Ward, Camden, with a fantastic team. It was a fabulous evening with inspiring and dedicated people in politics, business, media, and community. It was very special to be in the same table with Atty Crystal Dias, 8 Velly, Froi, and new friends. Few photos with the guest speakers, lawyers, and Cherie Blair, spouse of former Prime Minister Tony Blair, Home Secretary Yvette Cooper, Chairman of the Labour Party Ellie Reeves, the first MP with Filipino heritage Tony Vaughan, MP Sarah Owen, Chair of the Women and Equalities Committees Lord Sonny Leong, Master Chef winner Ping Coombes, TV chef Ching-He Huang, and many more wonderful people. Congratulations to all the people who helped organizing the events, as Alvin, Zahra, Jia Khan, and the whole team of SEA for Labour.
Hi everyone, it's Jia Khan from Business API TV. I'm here to celebrate Chinese New Year with Labour Party. Well, there was a turnout of a lot of MPs. I'll be sharing the photos and the videos of all the MPs from the Labour Party and their thoughts and the hard work that they have put in to become a very successful party and also very diverse as well. So keep watching Z89 TV with Jia Khan and stay tuned. Thank you.
Right, now I need to introduce Yvette Cooper, who's going to speak to you all, who has the unenviable task of being the Home Secretary.
Late nights, early mornings, constant monitoring of the news, but with much increased responsibility. But I wouldn't change it for the world. Because the change is already. We've begun to ramp up 40,000 NHS appointments each week. We've switched on GB Energy, held a record-breaking international investment summit, securing £63 billion and nearly 38,000 jobs for the UK. The biggest ever cash boost to the national minimum wage, increasing the pay for over 3 million workers. We've introduced a renters' rights bill, begun to put rail back into public ownership. Starting the rollout of free breakfast clubs in all primary schools.
Nobody ever sat down ever to a Chinese meal and thought, I really hope they interrupt it with a speech. And I'm also conscious as well, I think Ellie was introduced as being, I think, Year of the Snake. So, Year of the Monkey. No, wait. I get more wrong already. Well, being the Year of the Rooster, I am certainly not staying for the karaoke later on. So, but it's fantastic to see everybody here, and I wanted to just say a huge thanks to East and Southeast Asians for Labour and for the fantastic events that you do, for the work that you've done right across the community, for the work you've done right across the Labour Party, for the work, the events that we had in Parliament, it's been over a year ago now, to welcome Paul Connors to Parliament. The support in the community has been really powerful, and a huge thank you to Lotis for all of the amazing work to bringing the community together. And I tell you what, Tony's absolutely right. if you had any doubt, to think about maybe getting a bit more involved, you absolutely should. You should be standing for council, you should be standing for MPs. We had the most...
Here yet again at the annual bash, which is a highlight of everyone's year. And of course, this is the year of the snake. Now, I think many of you know, and I have learned very well, is that the wood snake symbolises charm, intelligence, and creativity. However, it also represents qualities of secrecy, cunning, and a tiny ruthlessness. Now, I found that very interesting because of the happens, my husband Tony is a water snake. So, I'll let you decide which of those qualities he embodies. Look at the number of people that are here tonight. It's a testament to the importance of this society. I know that we're joined by, and we will be joined during the evening, by frontbenchers from Westminster and the Scottish Parliament, ESEA representatives and allies from local and regional governments. I've met some of you already, and of course business and community leaders. I'm told by some of the business people here, you can tell they're from English